I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust edging machine, easy method. Start by ensuring the unit is powered off and unplugged, then stabilize it on flat ground. Inspect blades for damage and loosen mounting bolts enough to move the height lever. Set blade height to just clear the edge you want, tighten bolts evenly, and test rotation by hand to confirm clearance before powering up. Raise or lower the blade with the height lever while watching the edge profile. Small adjustments make big differences in finish. Loosen the mounting bolts slightly to allow movement, set the blade so it just trims the turf, then evenly tighten bolts to factory torque. Finally, rotate the blade by hand to confirm smooth movement and correct clearance, and recheck after a short test run. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video, it really helps. Quick recommendation. While you work, keep a reliable Oala water bottle at your side to stay hydrated and avoid stopping mid-job, and that bottle fits cup holders and clips to belts for easy carry. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust the blade angle to match the desired edge slope, which helps produce a crisp, uniform line. Verify the blade rotates in the correct direction and spins freely. Replace or sharpen blades that are dull or nicked. If you experience vibration, inspect mounting hardware and replace any bent components, then rebalance the blade assembly to restore smooth operation and consistent cutting performance during longer runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.